Okay. Hello friends, let us analyze analog read and serial output functions in Arduino. So for that I am using Tinkercad. The two components which we are going to need is Arduino Uno and a potentiometer. Let us study the potentiometer. Potentiometer has three pins. Terminal 1 and terminal 2 are the outer pins and there is a central wiper pin. So let us make the connections. So pay attention. I am going to connect this terminal to the ground of the Arduino. So I'm making it black. Is connected to the ground. The other outer terminal I am connecting to the 5 volts. Making it red. Okay. So I've connected the two outer terminals, one to the ground and one to the voltage source. Now the wiper I'm going to connect to the analog pin A0. The pin number is A0. Purposefully I'm showing it by some another color. So these are my connections. I hope the connections are clear. Now let us see the code. Now as we know, when we program an Arduino, we have a void setup and we have a void loop. Now in void setup, we have given a function which is called a serial.begin. So serial.begin is something which starts out this serial monitor. It is used to show this display. The serial monitor is a type of a screen on which we can get the output which we are getting on a particular pin. So to activate that, we give this command, that is serial.begin. We have given that in void setup. Then let's move to void loop. In void loop, we have taken an integer named sensor value, and that sensor value is going to read the value whichever the value is going to come on A0, that is analog pin 0. So for that, the given command is analogRead. So pay attention to the command analogRead. So R is capital, so it is going to read which pin number. It is going to read the pin number A0. So and this particular value is going to be saved in this variable, that is sensor value. So now next one is serial dot print in. So it is a command which is used to print out the value which it read on A0 onto the serial monitor here onto this screen. Right now it is not showing anything because I have not started the simulation. And last one is delay 500. It's a 500 milliseconds. This is the code. So what is going to happen is, whenever we are going to rotate this knob, we are going to see some changes here in the value. Now as you can judge, this is 5 volts and this is ground. So when I rotate the knob from this position to counterclockwise till this position, the value I'll see decrease in values, because whatever values we are seeing, it's for maximum voltage, and as rotate the knob, it is going to go to minimum voltage, that is ground. Okay, let us see. So I'm going to start the simulation. Now you see 1023. I'm going to rotate the knob. You can see value getting reduced, 859, 696. See, can you see, I have rotated it, it has become 0. You can increase this again. Okay, so that's it. This was about analog read serial output. Thank you.